So, Gugurdikta Grida is told in Ashtanga Hridaya Vadavyadi Chikitsa. This is also called Nimbamridadi Panchatikta Gugulu. Nimbamridadi Eranda is the same yoga prepared with Eranda Taila instead of Grida. Nimbamrida Asava is same yoga prepared according to Arishtavidhi. Coming to Balashruti, Acharya says it is used in highly vitiated Vada dosha present in the Sandhi, Asti, Majja, and also used in Arbuda, Bagandhara, Nadivrana, Galaganda, Dushtavrana, etc. So if you check the yoga, it has a wide, extensive indication for this yoga. Then coming to some important points to remember while giving Gugurdikta Grida is, this contains Balladaka. So since it contains Balladaka, sometimes it can cause allergy to some patient. So if there is allergy to some patients, you can give Virajana with Avipatti Churna and Kshalana or Parishega with Vibhidagi Kashaya. Next, other thing to remember is, it is not advisable to give this Grida in Pitta Prakriti patients or in Paitika Avastha of disease, and also not advisable given pregnancy, lactation, or patients below 16 years of age. So this is very Tikshna Aushadha since it contains both Balladaka and Chitraga. Next, coming to Anupana, don't give Gugurdikta, while giving Gugurdikta Grida, don't give Ushna Jala or hot water as Anupana. If you give hot water, sometimes it will cause irritation as it contains Balladaka. You can give Kshira as Anupana according to Avastha. Also, while giving this yoga, the patient should follow the Patya for Gugul Sevana, such as avoiding Amla and Tikshna Dravya such as mustard, avoiding emotions such as anger, avoiding alcohol. All these things actually the patient should avoid. So that's about Gugurdikta Grida. Thank you.